In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add site-wide animations in Squarespace 7.1, whether you're looking to add a touch of dynamism to your website or just want to make your user experience a bit more engaging. Incorporating animations can be a great way to catch your visitors' attention. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Squarespace account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on the login button. Doing so will bring up various options for proceeding, whether through email, Facebook, or other methods. For simplicity and speed, I'm going to continue with Google. Click on the Continue with Google button and select your account to access your dashboard. Now that we're logged in, you should see a list of your websites. Find and click on the website you intend to enhance with animations. It's important to ensure you're working on the correct site, as changes made here will apply site-wide. Once you're in your website's backend, we're going to navigate to the Styles panel. For this, locate the navigation menu on the left-hand side of your screen and select Styles. This is where you'll find all the customization options available for your site, allowing you to change the look and feel of your website. As you scroll to the bottom of the Styles section, you'll see a menu labeled Miscellaneous. Go ahead and click on it. This area contains options you might not use every day, but are crucial for detailed customization like what we're doing here. Under the miscellaneous settings, there's a tab labeled Animations. Click on this and it'll open up a range of animation options that you can apply across your site. Squarespace provides various styles to choose from, adding that sleek professional touch to your pages. Once the animations panel is open, you can start by choosing your preferred style. Squarespace offers multiple preset styles, each providing a different kind of movement or transition effect. Take a moment to explore these styles, as each can give your site a unique flair. With your style chosen, the next step is to decide on the animation speed. Within the same panel, you'll find options to adjust how fast or slow your animations will play out. A faster speed can make your site look energetic and lively, whereas slower animations tend to offer a more relaxed, smooth transition. Choose the speed that best fits the vibe and aesthetic of your site. And there you have it. You've added animations to your Squarespace website, giving it an extra layer of engagement for your visitors. Remember, these animations will apply site-wide, but you can always return to these settings if you want to make adjustments. Thank you for watching, and I hope these animations help make your Squarespace site even more impressive. Happy designing!